try!
Malcolm Marks is brought down on the 10. Oh, that could very easily have been a deliberate knock-on from JP Peterson, but the referee was already playing penalty advantage. Oh, I think he likes it. Yes, and so do the assistant referees. So there we go, the Lions are on the boards. Here's Yankees, they're queuing up on the right-hand side. Marpu straightens the line, gets a lovely pass away, under pressure. It goes out to Combrink, and Combrink's got another one.
Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Well, the hoist was good. Michael Glosson missed it completely. The chase from Gordon Oscarson, superb. He regathered. He was tackled well by JP Peterson.
Ackerman. Oh, he's smuggled the ball away, and the try scored by the man we've been talking about, Rohan Janse van Rensburg. Combrink with the little chip over the top. Oh, some wicked bounce. It's gifted possession. Ackerman gets it to Marks, and Marks scores try number 3 for the Lions. Janse van Rensburg is hit back in the tackle, but still makes it available. Here's Ackerman. Ackerman's very close. He's over the line for the try.
One movement, fine.
Yankees, Skassan. JP Peterson must be careful.
Philip Bonnet.
Oh, great hands. And a great try. Oh, Jakub Kriel hasn't got it down. He has now. Good reffing. April taking the ball at pace. Gets the pass away to Sitole. Quickly available. April. Smith with the pass, and the try for Mvobo. The Sharks break their duck in the 62nd minute. So here's Chili Boy Ralapale, finds Ruan Bueta. Held in the back by Ralapale, he's over the line, can he get it down? Yes, he can. So this will be the last play. It's turnover ball for the Lions. They should just get it off the park. That's exactly what they've done. Rowan Combrink sends it into the stands.